Let's talk about that feeling you get when you wake up and immediately think, I should be further than this by now. When you're broke, stressed, and just trying to keep your head above water, that pressure hits harder than anything else. This episode is about understanding why you feel behind, even when you're actually doing more than you realize. When you're broke, society tells you you're failing. Family comments make it worse. Social media makes it unbearable. But here's the truth. You're not behind. You're overloaded. And overload changes your speed. You're not slow. You're carrying things other people don't even have to think about. Bills, uncertainty, survival decisions, trying to fix your life while also trying to live it. That's not being behind. That's being in a season of rebuilding. When money is tight, your brain starts scanning for danger. And guess what comparison is? A survival state warning system. Your brain says, look at them. They're doing better. You're in trouble. It's not jealousy. It's your nervous system trying to keep you safe. But the problem, it makes everything feel like a race. Even though life isn't a race, it's a rebuild. Illusion 1. Everyone else has it figured out. No, they don't. You're just seeing the highlight reel. Nobody goes live when they're crying over bills. Illusion 2. I'm not doing enough. When you're broke, everything feels like it's never enough. Even the progress you made gets overshadowed by pressure. Illusion number 3. I should be further at my age. Age doesn't determine success. Alignment does. Clarity does. Staying grounded does. First, focus on today only. Not the month, not the year, just today. Second, remove the timeline pressure. You're not late. You're arriving exactly when you're ready. Third, define your version of progress. Not society's, not social media's, not your family's. Your measurable progress might be no panic attack today, didn't shut down, sent one email, created one plan, applied to one thing that counts. Fourth, compare yourself only to former you. If you're doing even 1% better emotionally than last month, you're not behind. You're growing. You're not behind. You're learning discipline in real life, not in a perfect environment. You're rebuilding in the middle of chaos. You're becoming someone stronger than you even realize. Give yourself credit, give yourself grace, and give yourself time. If this episode hits home, comment, I deserve a fresh start. And if you want the next episode, just say next one. And if you want to check out the blueprint that I've been following to make daily pay, following my vision, go to getdailypayments.com and I'll link it in the description below. I'd love to see you guys on the inside.